In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Samsung Galaxy not turning on or charging. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your Android phone isn't charging, it's usually a conflict between the new AI battery protection software or physical debris in the USB ports. So, you can get a toothpick or a plastic dental pick, just avoid anything metal, and gently scrape the bottom part or like the USB-C area. If your cable feels mushy when you plug it in or it falls out easily, there's definitely going to be some lint inside or any sort of debris, so just try and shake it out as well. And what you can also do is go over to your settings. So we're going to swipe down on the top right, then press the little settings wheel icon. Then from here, go over and find the battery option. So I'm going to go to battery right now, and then go over to battery protection. As you can see, my battery protection is currently on. And if it's at a basic or limit to 80%, it's intentionally stopping at 80%. So, just make sure if you want to turn that off, you can turn it off temporarily. And what you can also do is if it's still not charging, go ahead and try and force restart it. So you can press the volume down and the power button together, and then just go ahead and restart. And then after the restart, it should hopefully work. And yeah, then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.